Today, we prepare a 19th century Neapolitan recipe. We need 6 calamari, not too big, and pioppini mushrooms, called also poplar mushrooms. We use pioppini mushrooms, but the original recipe don't specify the kind of mushrooms. Then we need 1 cup of tomato passata, raisins, pine nuts, 1 onion, olives. We use oven-cooked olives, but you can use any kind you have at hand, and then capers and olive oil. First, we need to rehydrate the raisins and wash away some of the salt from the capers. Then we cut the calamari and clean the mushrooms. Put some extra virgin olive oil in the pot, and when it's hot, add the onion and make a soffritto. Then add the passata. The original recipe suggests to add some water, but this step depends on how thick your passata is. Then add the calamari and the pioppini mushrooms and cook for 5 minutes. If you cook the calamari for a longer time, they become tough, but don't worry, they become tender again with a long cooking, after 30 minutes or more if you use bigger calamari. Then add the raisins, the olives, the pine nuts and the capers, and cook for 1 minute. There's no need to add salt. Olives and capers give enough salt to the dish. The book that included this tasty recipe was printed in Naples in 1837 and had a great fortune in the 19th century, with several reprints throughout the century. It's usually called Cucina Teorico-Pratica, that means theoretical practical cooking, but the complete title is really long, as it was in use at that period. The first part of this book is about high-end cooking, and the author, Ippolito Cavalcanti, wrote it in Italian. But in our opinion, the most interesting part is the second one, about home cooking written in Neapolitan, that gives us an authentic taste of the Neapolitan cooking of the 19th century. This is a really tasty calamari dish, and if you don't have calamari, the author suggests the same recipe for baby octopus and cuttlefish.